If we eat knives, phones, or cords, it doesn't mean that we lack vitamins. It means that there is a new video with funny pranks about the edible DIY world around us. I've got a new iPhone, but it's not regular. It's edible. It's a limited chocolate edition. It looks exactly like a real iPhone. It has colorful wallpaper, icons, and a usual interface. And I'm going to prank my friend with it. Print a picture of an iPhone on sugar paper and cut it out. Cut chocolate to be of the same size as the sweet gadget. Turn it around the smooth side down and fold foil to make borders around the chocolate. Melt the remains of the excess chocolate in a double boiler. Pour it on top. Spread it over the entire surface and let it harden. Take off the foil. Trim the edges using a knife. Attach the iPhone picture to the chocolate with edible glue. We go to a picnic. The weather is splendid. It's high time to take a selfie. Redhead takes a photo with her phone. Meanwhile, I take out my chocolate gadget. My friend wants to take a photo with my phone too, but I am ahead of her and bite off the selfie camera. Redhead is perplexed. How is it possible? She tries to taste her own phone, but it is not that sweet. It should be Apple's new sweet version. Choco iPhone 11? Anyway, an edible phone looks great. A selfie with a bitten gadget will get millions of likes. I'm a real fan of EOS lip balm. I love it so much that I could easily take part in the lip balm advertising campaign, especially as my EOS is no regular one. Cover an EOS with a thick layer of Vaseline. Cut a plastic cup in half and pour hot glue in it. Press down the EOS into the hot glue. Remove the container when the glue hardens. Make an imprint of the bottom part of the EOS in another cup in the same way. Take out the molds when they are ready. Wash off Vaseline thoroughly and let them dry. Cover the mold with starch and spread sugar paste over the inside. Sprinkle a Chupa Chups with starch and press it down with the sugar paste. Remove the sweet container. Trim the edge. Make the bottom part of the EOS in the same way. Cut off the stick of the Chupa Chups. Spread edible glue over the sweet EOS and attach the lollipop. Cover it with the sugar paste cap. My new EOS is not just for lips. You may also use it instead of a dessert. I open the lip balm and apply the sweetness to my lips. And then I bite it off. My friend stares at me totally amazed. Then she follows me tasting the cap. Yummy! And when she is out of the sweet cap, I will share mine. I've got an apple, and my friend's got a knife. Very opportunely. I will share my apple with her, but hardly I manage to cut the apple when my friend takes the knife away from me. Trace the blade of a kitchen knife on rice paper. Cut it out and duplicate a couple of times on rice paper. Cover the detail with edible glue. Attach other layers to make the knife thicker. Cover the knife with silver food coloring. Let it dry under a press. Knead colored sugar paste and shape it into a knife handle. Make a cut and put in the rice blade. Don't hurry up to cut the apple. Look, I bring the knife to my face as though I'm an illusionist and bite off a piece of the blade. Oops, it seems I've overdone it a little. My friend hasn't been ready for my tricks. She can't handle such a plot twist, so she passes out. I react quickly. I take away the apple and soften my friend's falling with a marshmallow pillow. Oh boy!